Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're ready to refresh your TikTok experience and open the doors to new video content, follow our simple steps to reset the For You page. Without further delay, let's embark on an adventure of exploration and fun on TikTok. Open your TikTok application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu. From the menu, choose the last option, Settings and Privacy. Then, in the Content and Display section, locate the Content Preferences option, and once you find it, click on it. Now, we'll find the option Refresh For You feed here. Click on it, and we'll arrive at the next page. On this page, it states that it will show you popular videos to kickstart your new feed. Your profile and inbox won't be adjusted, and the more interactions we have, the more personalized your feed will become. Click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Then, click on Refresh here. Now, exit and re-enter the TikTok application. The algorithm will now adapt based on your likes, comments, and interactions, and it will recommend content accordingly. We hope we've assisted you with the Reset For You page on TikTok. If the video has been helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.